Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Aerogarden Harvest Elite. Without an outdoor space or direct sunshine, the Aerogarden Harvest Elite allows you to cultivate fresh herbs and veggies at any time of year. It has a stainless steel base with a hydroponic growing system and high-performance LED grow lights that turn on and off automatically using a customized timer. Thyme, curly parsley, dill, Thai basil, Genovese basil, and mint are included in the 6-pod herb seed package, and the all-natural liquid plant food is non-GMO and chemical and herbicide-free. When it's time to add water or plant food, the digital display will remind you. Digital display control panel includes vacation mode to keep your hydroponics growing system thriving when you're out of town and advanced garden settings for optimized growth. High performance, full spectrum 20-watt LED high-efficiency grow lighting system in your herb garden is tuned to the specific needs of plants to maximize photosynthesis, resulting in rapid, natural growth and abundant harvests. The Harvest Elite has a sleek, stainless steel finish and adjusts for up to 12 inches of grow height. Not to mention, it sets up in minutes. So, make every day a great gardening day with Aerogarden Harvest Elite Indoor Garden. Our second best indoor garden system is Aerogarden Bounty Elite. This is the second smart garden I've purchased, and it's still the most user-friendly. It features a self-watering system that you fill with water and plant food, then check every few days to see whether it needs to be replenished. The built-in LED lights can be set on a timer and adjusted according to the time of day. So, if you have a bright sunny day, reducing the grow lights is a simple way to reduce the energy production. I've also discovered that growing plants requires little maintenance, and I've stocked it with cherry tomatoes that grew almost as quickly as they did in the summer. Keep in mind that if you're growing herbs, the grow light's maximum height may not be suitable for some taller plants. Perfect for a variety of big harvests. Your Wi-Fi enabled and Alexa compatible garden allows you to stay in control of the new features including a 3-step water level indicator, infinite dimming grow light, and sunrise or sunset auto light dimming. Take your gardening to the highest level and get the new and improved Bounty Elite today. Energy efficient 50-watt LED grow lights deliver the perfect spectrum for fast growth and big harvests. Smart garden technology automatically turns lights on and off and reminds you when to add water and liquid plant food. Sunrise/sunset lighting. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden. If you're looking for a more app-friendly gardening system, the company recently developed the Smart Garden 9 Pro, which features app-controlled grow lights and a timetable. An automatic watering planner and built-in LED grow lights are included in this soil-based system. You can choose from over 60 pre-seeded biodegradable plant pods to place in the planter. Then you add water to the tank, which can hold up to a month's worth, and use the water float indicator to keep track of the total water level over time. It includes 9 free plant pods, 3 small tomato pods, 3 green lettuce pods, and 3 basil pods. The watering system is passive and works via capillary action, which makes for a completely silent indoor grow kit. Grow any plant you want if you're looking to create the perfect indoor herb garden for your kitchen, You'll love our range of classic Mediterranean herbs like parsley, thyme, basil, rosemary, oregano, sage and cilantro/coriander. Available salad greens include green lettuce and romaine lettuce, arugula, bloody sorrel and leaf mustard to name a few. Your choices also include fruiting plants like mini tomato and wild strawberry, several different kinds of chilies and peppers as well as decorative flowers. Number 4 in our side is Miracle-Gro 12 Indoor Growing System. This growing system is ideal because it can be used as an end table or additional storage space. This technique is completely automatic. All you have to do is download the app and pair it with your Bluetooth device. Then, at the touch of a button, you can make changes. The reservoir holds 2 gallons of water, and the base is 16.5 by 16.5 inches and stands 28 inches tall. You can keep replacing each plant with new seeds after harvest. You may grow up to 4 plants at a time in this container, and you can even fill it with flowers for a purely beautiful appeal. Includes 1 transplanting kit, 2 packets of plant nutrition, and 1 seed starting kit. Grow the food you love indoors year-round with the Miracle-Gro 12 Indoor Growing System. Bluetooth connected, it takes the guesswork out of growing and lets you control your system right from your phone with the Miracle-Gro 12 app. The Miracle-Gro 12 Indoor Growing System LED Hydroponic Grow Light is specially designed for indoor gardening. Grow up to 4 plants to add greenery to your home and fresh flavors to your kitchen. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best indoor garden system list is Back to the Roots Water Garden. The Back to the Roots Water Garden, which uses an aquaponic system, is essentially a self-cleaning fish tank with microgreens and wheatgrass growing on top. You may either add a bed of fish or keep a hydroponic system going by using the water in the tank. Microgreen seeds, fish food, a natural dechlorinator to keep the water safe for fish, and grow stones as a growing medium for the plants are all included in the kit. Harvest organic microgreens from your aquarium in just 10 days. Your water garden becomes a self-cleaning fish tank that also grows fresh food up top. The fish waste fertilizes the plants on top and the plants clean the water. Each Back to the Roots Water Garden duo comes with a free STEM curriculum on aquaponic and hydroponic systems to encourage your kids to learn more about it. This award-winning ecosystem is also the perfect gift. The Back to the Roots Water Garden duo allows you to grow a succulent or houseplant garden all year round and comes with everything you need to get started. No green thumb or big backyard needed. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.